Everyone, today we will be opening a smudge. This. I'm a queen study kit. So we're gonna be opening it with Ethan and Johnny. Okay, Ethan, do you want to open it, or do you want Johnny to open it? You. What? Just kidding. Okay, open it then. Smudge the smudge. Wow. That was easy. Okay, so everyone, it comes with this notepad, and I don't like it. I don't like McQueen. I just got it out of a place somewhere. I didn't know what I was doing. I just wanted to get it out. Okay. Who wants to do the next review? Oh, me! Johnny, get back up here. Did you go? Okay. It also comes with the sharpener, which looks actually really cool. I like it. Ouch. Oh, never mind. The next review is by Ethan. Okay. It also comes with this double-sided eraser, so it has one side with McQueen, one side with Jackson Storm, which I really hate. I actually hate Jackson Storm because he's mean in the movie. Okay, the last review is by Johnny. Okay, everyone. So this set also comes with, you always need a pencil, so here it is. Wait, let me do something. Okay, everyone, I sharpened it, and this is how it looks. Looks so dumb because we didn't sharpen it enough. Okay, everyone, goodbye. See you in the next video!